Hello, e-commerce shop owners. So today we're going to be talking about Facebook pixels, and we'll actually be talking about this the rest of the week. So make sure you join me this whole week. We're going live on TikTok, and then these videos will be reposted, shorter versions, etc. on various platforms. So wherever you're seeing me, make sure you come and follow me on TikTok, because this is where I go live every single day and where you can see the full video. All right, so today we're going to be answering the question, is a Facebook pixel necessary? So I'd love to hear from you if you think a Facebook pixel is necessary for your business or not. Just comment below. And I have two things that you should probably consider before being able to answer that question for your specific business. Number one, are you using Facebook as a platform for your business? If the answer is no, you may not need a Facebook pixel. If the answer is yes, you probably should have one. Second question that you should consider when you're trying to figure out if a Facebook pixel is necessary for your business is, are you using, or do you plan to use, or could you possibly ever use Facebook ads for your business? Because you need the pixel installed if you are using Facebook ads. It is one of the ways that we retarget visitors, and we'll be talking about that in just a moment. So if you answered yes to either of these questions, are you using Facebook as a platform for your business, or are you using or planning to use or might possibly use Facebook ads for your business, then the answer is probably yes. It is necessary for you to have the Facebook pixel installed. And if you don't, you're missing out on valuable data that could be helpful to your business. One of the reasons you want a Facebook pixel is because it makes it possible for Facebook to identify the right audience for you. And that is going to impact any ads you run, what posts they show to specific people. So giving Facebook the information that it needs to find you the right audience can really help you find the right people, which, guess what, will help you get more sales. So that is a really huge reason why it's important that you have the Facebook pixel installed if you're using Facebook or Facebook ads at any point in your business. Another reason that it's really important is because it's how you monitor conversion for your ads. So unless you have the Facebook pixel installed, you will not, on your ads platform, actually get sales data. So if, for example, you try and set a conversion of sales, purchases, then you will not know if that is performing as it should. So this is one of the ways that you are actually able to know if your ads are working. So this is really important. And then finally, having the Facebook pixel installed on your website allows retargeting of web visitors. So let me explain what this means. Have you ever gone to a website for whatever product, and then later you get on Facebook and you have an ad for that exact same product? That is retargeting, okay? It means someone goes to your website, Facebook with the pixel knows they went there and can even tell what product they were looking at, and then puts your ad in front of them. And you can actually set your ad to work this way. If someone visits this page on my site, so a specific product, show them this ad. And so retargeting is a really powerful way to use Facebook. And of course, because now Facebook and Instagram are part of the Meta universe, you can also use that same retargeting on Instagram. So this retargeting is a really huge way to try and recapture those people that left your site before making a purchase. So the question for today was, is a Facebook pixel necessary? I'd love to hear your opinion, especially now that we've kind of discussed it a little bit. The two big questions you should ask yourself before you know if it's necessary is, are you using Facebook as a platform for your business? If so, you might want to consider having a pixel. And are you using or planning to use or might possibly use Facebook ads in the future? If so, you probably want to have the Facebook pixel installed on your website. And then finally, there are 3 reasons why. Number 1, it's so Facebook can identify the right audience for you. Number 2, it's how you're going to monitor conversions on your ads. And number 3, it allows retargeting of your website visitors. If you join me live on TikTok, thank you so much. Make sure that you subscribe and follow on my channel so that you'll be notified when I go live, and so that you can get entered in the giveaways that I'm doing over on TikTok. If you're watching me somewhere else, go check out TikTok to see the full video, and I can't wait to see you. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow a little bit more about the Facebook pixel.